Hey everybody, it's Grayson here from cherrycollectables.com.au. Just doing a bust for my 30th birthday. So I asked Renee for exquisite, maybe, a case of SP game used. She came up with 0809 Fleer. So we'll have a crack at that. But seriously, she actually got me an amazing Jim Lee and Alex Ross print. So Queen Renee came up trumps. It's sensational. When there's pictures, I'll chuck some up on the site. But this stuff isn't too bad, especially when it's only 1 cent. If you jump over to our eBay, which I'm pretty sure you can get to via our website, but if not, look for Cherry Collectables Oz on eBay. AUS, Cherry Collectables AUS. These are only 1 cent at the moment. Bidding has begun. 5 days. Lots of packs there too. So let's see if I can get a Jordan signature on my birthday. We'll flick through the base and I'll just look for Ryan Anderson rookie, J.R. Giddens flashback. Anyone who's making a set of this, let me know. And if you pay the postage, I'll send you any of the base that you need. Looks like I got a hit in this pack. All base. First hit is a Feel the Game Shaq Daddy. It's got a little bit of game used jersey there. Not numbered. Shaq for the Suns. Got a rookie Courtney Lee and a flashback of Lopez. So there's 4 hits in a box. Arthur rookie flashback Fernandez. There's also a Timeless Treasures Expressions of Interest case break up at cherrycollectables.com.au at the moment. If you're interested in buying a spot, 30 spots, 1 per team. We random the spots. You get a team assigned, and there's about 45 hits in a box, in a case, sorry, of the Timeless Treasures, which look incredible. So yeah, we've got about 15 expressions of interest, so won't be long now until I put a purchase opportunity up there, and the people that have expressed some interest will be obviously the first ones that get a spot. Well, they'll be guaranteed a spot anyway. I'll make sure of that. I got a 3-way Sonny Weems, Douglas Roberts, Fernandez, and Eric Gordon rookie. 3 hits to go. Also, anyone at all who's interested in any of those singles I've put up recently, especially my Darryl McDonald auto, which I just found that I had back in Tassie, let me know. Courtney Lee, Costa Kufos, and George Hill triple, and Dante Green retro. Come on, Jordan auto. Campbell Market this Sunday, May 2nd. There'll be a little stall there with a couple of boxes. Got an Augustin Throwback Classics. Nice jersey there. Not a bad looking card. DJ Augustin. Steve Blake, Joey Dorsey, Roy Ibbott. Two hits thus far. Randolph, Kevin Love, flashback. Gordon, Alexander, Augustin. Daryl Arthur flashback. And we've got the Malvern Town Hall Fair coming up on May 16th. Tishon, Hobie, Lopez, Bayless, Thompson, and a Beasley flashback. Okay, got a third hit in this one. Garnett, base, and the hit is Garnett as well. Garnett fill the game. Randy Foy, Giddens rookie, and another Ibbott. One hit left. Hopefully it's the auto, the Jordan auto. Oh, it's a Jordan base. Good sign though. Derek Rose rookie, Fernandez flashback. Going to be listing heaps of singles on eBay very shortly too, so keep a lookout for those peeps. Roy Hibbert rookie, Eric Gordon flashback. 3 packs to go. Oh, it's another memorabilia. I thought there was at least an auto per box. Broken Hearted. So it's Jason Thompson Throwback Classics, and I think one of my little mates was interested in Jason Thompson's.
What's he doing with his hands?
So he's got happy hands. So there you go, Jason Thompson. So if he's interested, hit me up. Only $30 for that one. So not really. JJ Hickson, Maurice Bates. Second last packet. And Douglas Robertson Lopez. Last pack. Alex Ajinka and Daryl Arthur. Thanks everyone for watching. Check out cherrycollectables.com.au and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.